Most people think AI is just another feature inside information systems. That's too small. AI is not only adding new tools to information systems, it is changing the way information systems collect data, understand data, make decisions, automate work, and support people inside organizations. In simple words, traditional information systems helped businesses store and manage information. AI-powered information systems help businesses understand, predict, and act on information. That is the big shift. Think about a normal business dashboard. In the past, the system would show sales, stock levels, customer complaints, delivery delays, or employee performance. The manager had to look at the numbers, understand the pattern, and decide what to do. But with AI, the system can go further. It can detect that sales are dropping in one branch. It can explain which product is causing the decline. It can predict when stock may run out. It can recommend a promotion. It can flag unusual customer behavior. It can summarize reports automatically. So the system is no longer just showing information. It is starting to interpret it. That is how AI is changing information systems. In a CRM system, AI can analyze customer behavior and predict which customers may buy again, which customers may leave, and which offer may work best. Instead of treating every customer the same, the system can support personalized marketing and smarter follow-ups. In a supply chain management system, AI can forecast demand, detect supplier delays, suggest reorder levels, optimize delivery routes, and warn the business before shortages happen. In a business intelligence system, AI can explain trends, detect unusual patterns, generate summaries, and allow managers to ask questions in normal language instead of manually searching through dashboards. In a cybersecurity system, AI can monitor unusual logins, suspicious transactions, abnormal user behavior, phishing attempts, and possible attacks faster than human teams alone. In a hospital information system, AI can support diagnosis, summarize patient notes, predict patient risk, manage appointments, and help doctors find important information faster. So AI is not replacing information systems. It is becoming the intelligence layer on top of them. But here's the catch. AI is only as strong as the information system underneath it. If the data is wrong, AI will produce wrong answers. If the process is broken, AI will automate the broken process. If the system is disconnected, AI will miss important context. If employees blindly trust AI, mistakes can become dangerous. If privacy is ignored, AI can create serious ethical problems. That is the brutal truth. AI does not fix weak information systems. It exposes them. A company with clean data, clear processes, strong databases, connected systems, and disciplined management can use AI effectively. But a company with messy Excel files, poor data entry, unclear workflows, and disconnected departments should not pretend AI will magically save it. Bad data plus AI does not create intelligence. It creates confident nonsense. This is why AI in information systems needs human oversight. AI can recommend actions, but humans must understand the context. AI can detect patterns, but humans must question the assumptions. AI can automate tasks, but humans must decide what should not be automated. AI can summarize information, but humans must check whether the summary is accurate. The smartest businesses will not be the ones that replace every human with AI. The smartest businesses will be the ones that combine AI with good human judgment. Today, AI is also changing how employees interact with information systems. Before, users had to click through menus, open reports, filter dashboards, and search databases manually. Now they can ask questions like, why did sales drop this week? Which customers are at risk of leaving? Which branch has the highest waste? Which supplier is causing delays? What should we reorder before the weekend? And the system can respond with summaries, charts, explanations, and recommendations. That is a major change. Information systems are moving from passive systems to active assistants. But this also creates risk. If AI gives wrong advice and nobody checks it, the business suffers. If AI hides its reasoning, managers may not understand the decision. If AI is trained on biased data, it may repeat unfair patterns. If employees become lazy, they may stop thinking critically. If companies collect too much data for AI, privacy can be damaged. So the future of information systems is not just about more AI. It is about responsible AI, clear data governance, strong cybersecurity, human review, ethical rules, privacy protection, transparent decision-making, and proper accountability. Because when AI becomes part of information systems, mistakes can scale faster than ever before. A bad manual decision may affect one customer. A bad AI-powered system can affect thousands or millions. That is why businesses need discipline before automation. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to understand AI not as magic, but as the next major evolution of information systems. Because traditional systems helped businesses record what happened, modern systems help businesses understand what is happening. And AI-powered systems are starting to help businesses predict what may happen next and what action they should take. But the real winners will not be the companies that simply add AI everywhere. The real winners will be the companies that use AI on top of strong data, clear processes, secure systems, and smart human judgment. Because AI does not replace the need for information systems. It makes good information systems more powerful and bad information systems more dangerous.